Oh, finally! You're here!
What seems to be the issue, sir?
What?
I said, what's the issue?
Oh. Yes. My grandson got me this, and I can't seem to quite use it.
Okay, so do you know what it does when it turns on?
Turn on?
Oh my god. You press this.
Oh, what do you know?
So there's no problem?
What?
Fuck me. I said, is there any problem?
Watch your mouth, Sonny. And yes, I don't know how to run this blocky game.
Depends on the whoa, hey, hey, hey. Depends on the whoa, hey, hey,
So, what I'm getting at, there's no problem. You just need new parts.
Oh, I forgot the PC also has a faulty power supply.